Hello everyone. I want to begin with a very simple question to all of you. We are done with the hello part. I want to begin with a very simple question to all of you. Have you ever felt guilty? I'm not audible. Okay. Have you ever felt guilty even when you did nothing wrong? Yes. Maybe you felt guilty for simply saying a no to someone. Yes. Or maybe you felt guilty for walking away from a relationship. Yes. You did? Every time. I did. Good morning everyone. Myself Divya and today I am here to talk on the topic the invisible guilt we carry. When we hear the word guilt, we usually connect it with mistakes. We think guilt only belongs to people who lie, cheat, hurt others, or do something really wrong. But real life is not that simple. Some of the deepest guilt comes not from wrongdoing, but from being human and carry these humanly feelings. Like most of us here can relate, a child cannot fulfill each and every expectation of their parent and carries that burden, that guilt deep and silently in their heart for years and years. Someone walks away from a toxic relationship and still feels guilty for walking away. This guilt, my friends, is invisible. Like there are no scars people can see, but it quietly changes lives. It makes people apologize too much. It makes them stay silent even when they want to speak and sacrifice themselves just to feel worthy. But the sad truth here is that society encourages this guilt. Like we praise people who constantly sacrifice themselves. We judge people for setting some boundaries. We call people selfish for choosing themselves. One of the biggest misunderstandings in life that guilt always means we did something really wrong. That's not true. Sometimes guilt means that we care too deeply. It means that a decision had emotional consequences. And most of the time, it means that we are carrying responsibilities that were never ours to carry in the first place. And I want you to realize that we should say no more often than we do. Because doing this never makes you cruel. It simply makes you honest. Because there's a difference between responsibilities and a burden. There's a difference between kindness and self-destruction. We cannot make everyone happy. We cannot meet every expectation of people. Like we need to choose ourselves more often. And I would like to say, as I conclude, I would like to say that here the question is not how to get rid of the guilt. The question is we need to know that which guilt is ours to choose and which guilt is to be put down. Because the strongest people in the world are not the ones who carry the most weight. They are the ones who know which weight was never theirs to carry in the first place. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.